That's awesome, man. Here's another really fun thing, is that there's a movie coming out next year. It's called Barbie, and you're in it, which is awesome. And we've seen like some official photos. We've also seen some like, you know, those like photos on set and everything. The movie looks insane, and you said it's like bonkers. Can you tell us anything about this Barbie movie that you're in that's coming out next year?
Yeah, remember when you said that you were trying to not get me in trouble?
Right, you would get in trouble? Got it. The Marvel sniper put their thing down, and now it's the Warner Brothers.
But now the Warner Brothers snipers.
Yeah, they're like,
very.
Did you have fun? Did you have a good? You guys wrapped shooting already?
I had the best time, and
oh my God, I want
we honestly had the best. You know, from Margot to Ryan to all of the people. Like it really was just such a who's who of Hollywood. Like I was, I got to be on set with Will Ferrell, whom I love. It's the holidays, so I'm gonna watch Elf again, which I do every single year. But he's he's just such an iconic actor.
Wow.
Such an incredible comedian. Just constantly on. Like it was a masterclass. But also, every single one of them are just such incredible humans. I want to shout out Scott Evans, who became my BFF on set. Scott, of course, is the brother of Chris. Some of you might know. But he's incredible in this movie.
Wow.
And I get to play. I pretty much only do movies now where I get to be an action figure of some sort.
Yes, good.
And so that was in my rider for Barbie.
Okay.